Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ella if you're new here, if not, hello. So today I thought that I'd recreate my prom makeup look from the first year at university. I did a really nice purpley look to match my blue sequin dress. I hope you guys like this video. As always, if you do, then I'd love if you subscribed and liked. And yeah, let's just get on into the video. So as always, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm using my favourite Maybelline Brow Precise in deep brown. So as usual, I'm just brushing up my hairs and filling out the tails of my brows where my hairs are just the most sparse. I've had such a busy week this week, not that I'm complaining really. I came back from holiday on Monday. If you guys haven't already checked out the vlog, then go check it out. Then I went straight to Birmingham because I had to unpack from my old accommodation and move into my new house. It looks so good already, so I'm really excited to move in September. And then apart from that, I've just been seeing a couple of friends, going to the cinema. I got my hair cut, I've been seeing some friends. So yeah, I've had an overall quite a busy week, but it's been so good already. And my sister's home from traveling, which is so exciting. She's living with us at the moment and I'm loving it so much. I've missed her. So the holiday was so amazing. I really want to go back already. It was one of the nicest hotels I've actually ever been to. Everyone there was so friendly and the food was so good. Okay, now to carve out my brows, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define in F3 and I'm just using a flat concealer brush. As usual, just going under the brow bone, making sure that any rough edges are cleared up and it's nice and even. Thank you guys so much for the support on my YouTube channel already. Obviously it's very new, but you guys have been so kind. Everyone's been really friendly about it, which was good because obviously it's quite a daunting thing posting online, but yeah, it's so much fun. Honestly, I enjoy it so much, the editing and the filming. I'm gonna try and smash out quite a lot of videos for you guys. So again, if you have anything you want to see, whether it's beauty related or fashion related, please let me know in the comments. Okay, now for eyeshadow, I've zoomed you in a little bit so you can get a better view. I'm going to be using my Morphe 39S palette. So starting with a transition shade, I'm just going to be using a nice fluffy brush and dipping it into a brown. And I'm just going to be putting it all over the crease to transition the other colours. I bought a lot of new makeup recently, so I think I'm going to do a video trying out all the makeup. I just got an eyeliner from NYX, which looks really good. I've never had really much luck with eyeliner. I think I might test it out today. If you guys have any eyeliner recommendations, then please let me know. Like, what are your favourites? Because I've honestly never had any luck. Okay, now the transition shade's all blended in, I'm going to be going in with a bluey purple shade. I think I'm going to go for this one, and I'm just going to be working it in the outer corner of my eye. Firstly packing it in, and then I'll be blending it out. So yeah, what were your guys' balls like this year? So we had a ball for our course, and it was so nice. It was in the Botanical Gardens. And yeah, everyone dressed up and it was so pretty. All the girls were in nice long dresses, and actually at the Botanical Gardens there were peacocks there, which was so awesome but actually kind of scary. I had a 3-course meal, which was really nice. It was actually on my birthday, so straight after we went out clubbing, and it was such a nice way to celebrate my birthday actually with all my course friends. So I got my dress from Quiz. It was actually my year 13 ball dress, so I thought I'd wear it again. It's so nice. It's one of my favourite dresses. It's this long blue sequined dress with a really nice detailing at the back. So if anyone's looking for prom dresses, then I'd really recommend looking on Quiz. Okay, I'm just going back in with the transition colour and just blending those two lines in. Okay, I'm now going to be darkening up the outer corner a little, so I'm going to be taking, again from the 39S palette, a nice dark purple colour, and I'm just going to be packing it into the very outer corner just to darken up the look a little. At first I found purple eyeshadow really daunting in case I made a mistake or whatever, but now I literally love using it, and I find that purple kind of goes with a lot of things. I know it looks a little crazy now, but once we blended it out and finished and cleaned it all up, then I think it'll look good. Okay, now for the lid, I'm going to be using a really nice bluey silver colour right here, and I'm just going to be packing it on to my eyelid. Okay, Okay, and going back in with the first purple colour, I'm just going to be blending it out. Okay, and now to sharpen the wing, I'm just going to go in with a face wipe and neaten it up. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to be doing a small wing where I winged out the eyeshadow. Okay, that's about as even as they're going to get. That was actually so easy to use though. I really recommend getting that liner. Okay, so that's my eyeshadow complete. Onto foundation, I'm going to be using the Revolution, again, the Conceal and Define. This is in F4, and I'm just going to be using my Real Techniques blender with this. This is my all-time favourite foundation. I'm just going to be doing the majority of my face, but leaving the under eyes for concealer. Okay, and for concealer, I'm going to be using the same thing, but just in a lighter shade. And I'm just going to be cleaning up the wing. Now to set the base, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Making sure to go over my T-zone, as that's usually where my foundation comes off during the day. I cannot wait for tonight because of Love Island. Let me know if you guys watch Love Island too and who your favourite couple is. I think today they're going to move the Casa Amor couples into the normal villa again, which is going to be so intense because literally all of the boys have coupled up with someone new, apart from Tommy, who I really like. I think Tommy and Molly actually might win as well. I want them to win because they seem so genuine. But oh my god, it's all gonna kick off, I just know it. By the way, I'm using the Hula bronzer in Original. Another show that I watched recently was the Chernobyl series on Sky Atlantic, which was so good, but so sad. If you guys haven't seen it, I really recommend watching it. You can just watch it on Now TV if you have a free pass. It actually needs to come into the cinema so that it can win an Oscar. It's literally that good. Okay, so I'm all bronzed up, and for blush, I'm gonna be using the MUA Pixel Perfect Multi-Blush, putting it in the apples of my cheeks and up to where I put my bronzer. This is a really nice subtle blush, which I like, especially with such a bold look like this. See, that's just so nice and subtle. And finally, for highlight, I'm going to be using this Freedom Prostrobe palette, which comes with some bronzers and highlighter. And I'm going to dip into the nice silvery colour and working it in my cheekbones. I've gone for a silver colour because I find that if I go with a kind of golden highlight, then a lot of the attention goes to that. And like I said earlier, I want all the attention on my silver and purple eyeshadow. Okay, so that's the complete base done. So for mascara, I'm just going to be using the Gal Bang Mascara. I'm not going to be putting too much on because I am going to be putting false lashes on. And I'm just coating my top lashes with it. And the lashes I'm going to be using are the Eyelure number 109 in the Spotlight lashes. These are really nice big lashes, so if you like the big lash look, then I definitely recommend these. Now I'm just gonna be making sure that my real lashes and the fake lashes are nicely joined. And I'm gonna be going through my bottom lashes. Okay, and for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Revolution Sheer Brilliant. This is in the shade Sheer Dollhouse. It's a really nice glossy lip. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. It was really fun recreating my prom makeup look. So I've gone with a nice purple eyeshadow with some big lashes and some lip gloss. If you like this video and want to see some more, I'd love if you subscribed and liked, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!